Let's talk fire kit. I heard your fire kit was weaker than decaffeinated sweet tea. Bless your heart. However, I can help you with that. Every fire kit needs multiple ways to start a fire, not just one. You have one, you're out of luck eventually. Hot Snot, 15 bucks. You can burn anything anywhere. However, we're gonna try and make our own that's friendly and plays well with others. And we're gonna see if we can make it compete with Hot Snot versus Not Snot with stuff you have laying around your house. Cotton, wax, fatwood, duct tape, accelerant. Don't ask me, and you can get it at Walmart. However, less than 5 bucks, 15 bucks. Can they compete? Let's find out. Let's start by melting down some wax and throwing some cotton in the bottom. Now these are just regular cotton balls, pulling them apart, throwing them in the bottom of the can. My goal here is to make like a fire starting lasagna. Oh yeah. So we'll throw like some cotton in the bottom, take a little tinder box, and sprinkle on some fat wood. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Maybe throw on some sterno gel. Oh yeah. That looks disgusting. I don't want to pour too much. I also don't want to pour too little. That was like the tiniest baby bit. Let's just smear it around. And then we're just going to soak the sucker in wax. And maybe top it off with some more pulled cotton. Get her in there. Wax is almost melted. It is almost melted. And you can see I only busted off a little bit of a 98-cent candle. Let's pour that joker right in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hear that sizzle, boy? Hear that sizzle? Come on now. Come on now. You know you won't. Ow! It's hot. Stop burning me. I don't like it. Let's test it out. We're going Hot Snot. Just a dabble, do ya? Versus Joey's Southern MacGyver tender lasagna, baby. Let's just take a scoop of that. Yeah. Set them right there. They're about the same size. Which one will burn better? I did this test 3 times because I failed horribly at filming 2 of them, but I did have the same result all 3 times. So you got a classic tortoise in the hare scenario. Hot Snot came ripping right out the gate. Burned fast, burned hot, fizzled out between 2.5 to 3 minutes. Joey's Southern MacGyver tender lasagna started off slow, but it was burning strong within a minute, and it burned a solid 5 minutes. At the end of the day, I'd say they both could fit in my bag. Always have more than one option when you're making a fire, and have fun developing cool skills. Just playing with fire. What's not to like about that?